Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best cable tie guns that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Eclipse CP382 Cable Tie Gun. If you are looking for some excellent performance as far as cable tying and cutting is concerned, this is the tool you need. One of the features that you will appreciate about this tool is the fact that it comes with robust metal construction. This, therefore, assures you that it will deliver the required strength and also stand the test of time. It is therefore clear that this is a tool to rely upon. The amazing thing about this tool is that it gives instant cutting within a short period of time. It, therefore, means that you will be able to work on different cables and still deliver in a timely manner. You will also appreciate that the gun allows you to adjust the tension so that you can have neat results every other time. Basically, you will find this tool ideal for home, industrial as well as commercial applications. At number 4. Klein Tools 86570 Cable Tying Gun. This is yet another unique tie gun that has been made for the tasks that are rated between 120 and 250 pounds. You will appreciate that the tie gun has a maximum tension buildup of 65 pounds. This, therefore, means that it will offer excellent performance in securing and also bundling the wire cables. The maximum width accommodated by this cable tie gun is 15/32 of an inch. Another great feature that you will appreciate about this tie gun is that it has been made in an ergonomic design. It will therefore provide a very secure grip to reduce hand stress and the risks of injuries as well. If you are essentially looking to have the best and most accurate results as far as cable tying is concerned, this is the tool for you. At number 3. Malco TY4G Cable Tie Tool. This is a brand that makes high-quality cable tie guns to make your task very easy and convenient. The gun comes with a baked finish that will allow the tool to resist rust and heavy job abuses. It has actually been designed to work on the standard ties of 175 pounds and the thin 125 pounds ties. If you are looking to tighten your nylon ties fast and in a secure manner, this tool will serve you well. The other feature that you will appreciate about this tool is the fact that it comes with a tension adjustment knob. You will therefore be able to make your customization to suit your needs. Operating this tool will also be very convenient. The reason for that is that it comes with vinyl cushion grips. Being made in the USA, you should have complete confidence in the tool. At number 2. Panduit GTS-E Hand-Operated Cable Tie Gun. This cable tie gun is your ideal machine that will be there for all your cable tying as well as cutting needs. You will appreciate that it does what it is supposed to do in a matter of minutes without much struggle. The cable tie gun also comes with an exclusive low trigger handle that will give you the efficiency you need whenever you will be cutting off the cable ties. The other feature that you will appreciate about this cable tie gun is the fact that it has a resin housing that makes it resistant to impacts. This tool will be ideal for executing the sub-miniature installs, miniature, the standard cross-sections as well as the immediate cable ties. You will also appreciate its ability to adjust the tension in order to promote exclusive operations. Finally at number 1. Tempo Greenlee Cable Tie Gun. This is yet another cable tie gun that has all the features that you need to get the job done to perfection. You will appreciate that it comes with an automatic cutoff feature that will eliminate the sharp edges located on the ties. The other feature to appreciate about this gun is that it comes in a heavy-duty design. It will therefore be ideal for ties with a width of up to 1/4 of an inch. Investing in this cable tying gun is one of the best decisions that you will ever make. You will appreciate that it has been made of strong metal to make sure that it stands the test of time. Just like other quality cable tie guns, you will appreciate that this one also allows you to adjust the tension. It, therefore, means that you will get the exact results that you desired. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.